YouTube, just a recap of the final episode of this computer now. We're going to play some sound. Pretty good. We're going to run the OpenGL test. This is the final product. What we've done, as you can see, everything's mounted in now. The sound card's in there. Power supply's working. This sounds absolutely brilliant. So basically what we've done, we've got a second power supply in here. We're using a second ATX 12 module there. Heaven forbid the power supply should fail, we will be protected by overvolting here. So we have got an isolation circuit between there and there because this acts like a DC to DC converter. The trigger for the ATX is we're buying up for a couple, so there's no mechanical relay. Everything is isolated from the second CSU. Sound card, we've actually run a data cable up there, up to PCI Express times 1 spot. No interference from sound on the graphics card because it's only data rails, it's not analog, there's no audio, it's just data. Both power supplies are working brilliantly. Second power supply is triggered by the first power supply by the module which was fitted there. We have no noise if we run a CPU test on full load. There's no button. This is a very expensive way to secure sound port on a PC. It's not air fishy, not USB, it's not an audio, it's just generally just a motherboard issue. You can take the board out, it's just on a workbench, you can run everything separately and you still have a fault. I'm quite happy with this project. I'm going to leave this now because we've actually got isolated dedicated sound, so yep, I'm chuffed with it. Linus and Jay-Z 2 cents. I chose my problem. See if you do better.